This is Quotex Guru. Money is important in our life. So, we make money through trading. Now, let's see how I made $500 from $50. It's not that much hard. It is very easy than you think. You just need the perfect indicator to use. The indicator I used here is ADX indicator. It gives nearly 95% win rate. Also, it is one of my personally favorite indicator. I already uploaded a detailed video about ADX indicator. Link is in description. First, choose the suitable chart, which is appropriate for your indicator. For ADX indicator, both the red and blue line should be away from each other. So, I choose this chart. Candle time is 1 minute. As the market is moving in downtrend, I just waited to confirm the current candle to end in red, so that I can enter next candle down. Now it's the perfect time to place the trade. I also choose this chart because of the perfect condition it have. As it goes in uptrend, it should have a pullback, because the green line touches the level 42. I selected the time frame to 2 minutes, because for high accuracy. I trust in ADX, so I decided to use compounding strategy. It works most of the time with ADX. ADX never fails. To follow the compounding strategy, I choose $160 now. This is also same as the previous chart, moving in uptrend. I was just waiting for the pullback, and plan to enter the next candle down, if the current candle was green. I'm using compounding now, because I earned a lot using this ADX strategy. Fourth step, compounding. So, I waited for 30 minutes to find a perfect trade. Here, the green line never went below the level 20, so it's moving in a strong uptrend. As the candle's giving a pullback, I also used a little price action by confirming the trade. I noticed the price is reaching the trend line, therefore I waited for the current candle to end in red, so that I can enter next candle up. Trading is all about patience. We should wait for the right moment. Let's see the results now. It's all about the timing. You just need only 4 accurate signals to make $500 from $50. That is, you can make 10 times profit from your starting investment. Just wait for the perfect timing. Good luck, and keep trading.